This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do division tricks, easy method. Start by estimating the quotient with rounding, then adjust using quick subtraction checks to confirm accuracy. Use compatible numbers, halving, and doubling to simplify problems and reduce steps. Practice two-digit divisors with steady rhythm and speak steps allowed to reinforce memory. Repeat short drills to build speed and confidence across common division patterns. Master a few simple division tricks to boost confidence quickly. Start with dividing by 2, 4, and 5 using halving and place value shortcuts. These build intuition. For divisors like 9, use sum of digits checks and subtractive adjustment to find remainders fast. Practice the chunking method for larger numbers by removing easy multiples and subtracting until the remainder is smaller than the divisor. Time yourself to track improvement daily. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy smart shortcuts, consider adding an Echo Dot smart speaker to your study space for timers and voice math help. Its compact size fits on any desk and delivers clear audio for step-by-step practice prompts and background focus music. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once basic tricks are solid, move to more advanced shortcuts for two-digit divisors. Use splitting techniques where you break the dividend into chunks that are easy multiples of the divisor, then add partial quotients. Try reversing subtraction for remainders to confirm answers quickly. Learn to use complements for divisors near powers of 10 and practice mental multiplication to convert division into easier checks. Keep sessions short and consistent for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.